Mount Morris police saying today a simple traffic stop yesterday led to an arrest and the confiscation of 58 illegal guns.
Police say the weapons were being trafficked across the country to an undisclosed location. The chief calls it a significant seizure. Christian Garzone spoke with the chief of police and city council leaders in Rochester about this recent bust and what else needs to happen to end the cycle of violence across the region.
Well, police say shortly after Mr. Muhammad from Ottawa was pulled over, the guns were found. Police say no doubt bound for cities like Rochester. Now, City Councilman Willie Lightfoot says this is a big win, no doubt about it. But illegal guns, he feels, are only one part of the solution when it comes to ending the violence. Police say when Badri Ahmed Muhammad was pulled over for speeding in Mount Morris yesterday, he seemed annoyed and nervous. Officer Kyle Regal decided to dig deeper. Regal then found a duffel bag with 58 handguns inside the trunk. Here's Police Chief Jeffrey Weidrich.
I wouldn't think for a second a single one of those guns was going to go to a legal gun owner. They were all going to be illegally sold. Mostly Glocks, 9mm, 40 and 45 caliber. At that volume, he says, no doubt they were meant for the streets. To me, that's a significant reduction wherever they were headed. Whether it's going to save lives in Mount Morris or Rochester or Buffalo or elsewhere. City Councilman Willie Lightfoot says after a record-setting violent year for 2021, 2022 is fast on the same track. He says getting guns off the streets is just one cog in the wheel.
So I think you have to look at a comprehensive approach to this violence within our community.
He also says much of this starts with the home and family and addressing mental health. But 58 illegal guns that could potentially end up in the city seized, he'll take.
It does make me feel really good to see those guns off the street.
Weidrich says Muhammad will be charged with criminal possession of a weapon in the first degree. For the rest, stand by. But as we work with our federal partners, through further investigation, we don't know where the case is going to go just yet. And Muhammad is being held on $100,000 bail. Live in Rochester, Christian Garzone, News 8. Adam, Teresa, right back to you.
All right, Christian, thank you. Now, police say Muhammad will stay in the U.S. to face his charges.